Unleash the power of advanced gaming and multitasking with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in the Honor GT. This cutting-edge processor ensures lightning-fast performance, enabling gamers and tech enthusiasts to enjoy seamless experiences without any lag. With its enhanced AI capabilities, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 not only boosts speed, but also optimizes power efficiency, ensuring you get the most out of every charge. Whether you're diving into the latest mobile games or running demanding applications, the Honor GT's chipset is designed to keep up with your pace, providing a smooth and responsive experience. Experience prolonged usage without frequent recharging thanks to the Honor GT's impressive 5,300 mAh silicon carbon battery. This innovative battery technology provides extended battery life, allowing you to enjoy your device throughout the day without worry. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the battery's durability ensures that you stay connected longer. Additionally, the silicon carbon composition enhances the battery's longevity, providing a reliable power source that maintains its capacity over time. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and embrace a device that keeps up with your active lifestyle. Immerse yourself in vibrant visuals with the Honor GT's 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Boasting FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, this screen delivers crisp and fluid visuals that enhance your viewing experience. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web, the display's high resolution and fast refresh rate ensure every detail is rendered with clarity. The panel's peak brightness of up to 4,000 nits guarantees visibility even in bright sunlight, while the in-display fingerprint scanner offers seamless security and convenience. Enjoy a visual treat every time you unlock your Honor GT. Keep your device cool and performing at its best with the Honor 3D cooling system. This innovative feature employs a 5,514mm VC heatsink, graphite elements, and 9-watt thermal conductive gel to effectively dissipate heat. Whether you're engaged in intense gaming sessions or multitasking, the cooling system ensures your Honor GT remains cool to the touch, preventing overheating and maintaining optimal performance. By managing temperature efficiently, this system not only enhances the device's longevity, but also ensures that you can push your device to its limits without compromising on speed or performance. Capture stunning photos and videos with the Honor GT's versatile camera setup. Featuring a 50-megapixel main camera with the advanced IMX906 sensor, this device delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the camera's superior sensor ensures every shot is picture perfect. Alongside the main camera, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens expands your creative possibilities, allowing you to capture more of the scene in each frame. With the Honor GT, your photography reaches new heights, offering professional-grade results at your fingertips.